Struggling to find a reliable and trustworthy RV company for repair and sales? Here at KARV in DeBary, we're a one-stop shop for everything. We handle sales if you're looking to buy, we take consignments if you're ready to sell, and we've got a full service and repair center for everything in between. From roof maintenance, AC, electrical, plumbing, generators, to full collision and paint work. We do it all right here. We also work with insurance and extended warranties. And if you need, we even offer same-day mobile service. Your RV needs sales, service, or repair, KARV has you covered.